And number 3, why do you want to improve your TOEIC score? Why do you want to improve your TOEIC score? That's enough to communicate the question. Now, when we're listening to these questions and responses, you don't have to listen to every word. You just listen for the key words, and that will be enough to help you find the answer. So that gives us time to look at the bottom of page 13. How do they try to trick you? To trick somebody. To trick somebody. To make somebody think the wrong thing. Can I just ask you to give a volunteer to step here, please? Okay. Now, now face me. Right, okay. Now, we're talking, and then I say, what's that? She looked. I tricked her. Nothing there. Right? I tricked her. I made her think the wrong thing. Thank you very much. So, in these questions and responses, they try to trick you. They try to make you think the wrong way. How do they do that? Look at the bottom of the page here. They use the same word, but not with the same meaning. For example, we've got the question and the answer. Has the sale improved profits? Now, the sale means selling at a discount. The sale, sell at a discount. So, has the sale improved profits? Answer, yes, it's for sale. For sale, same word, S-A-L-E. But here it means you can buy. It doesn't mean discount. The sale means discount. For sale means can buy. B. They use a related topic that doesn't answer the question. Look at the example. Question. Where can I buy a cheap air conditioner? Where can I buy a cheap air conditioner? Answer. I agree that it's very cheap. But the question is, where? We want to know a place. They've used a word from the question, made a different answer. It doesn't answer the question where. And the third way they can do it, words with a similar sound. Have you met the new staff? No, it's not the same stuff. Staff, stuff. Sounds similar, but staff means people working in your school. Stuff means little bits and things and not important. What's all this stuff here? Oh, there's papers and tissues and pens. Oh dear, stuff all over my table. Stuff, little things that are, we don't need them. Stuff. So, staff and stuff. They try and trick you with the sound. Just look at the top of page 14, and we've got some examples of how they try to trick you. And then we're going to stop for coffee. Quick, I need coffee. So, section B, at the top of page 14. Question 1. What did the customer cancel his contract for? Now here we've got a what for question. It's a why question. Why did the customer cancel his contract? And the answer, he says he can sell it quite cheaply. We've got in the question the verb cancel. In the answer we've got can sell. Similar sound, but it doesn't answer the question. Again, for number one, what did the customer cancel his contract for? My customer lives in Boston. Well, still, we got the word customer in the question, customer in the answer, but it doesn't answer the question why. Number two, why did you buy a new car? A, no, traffic can be terrible in this city. We've got the question why. First word of the answer, no. Impossible. Cannot be right. With a WH question, you cannot have yes or no. Why did you buy a new car? Yes, my wife usually drives the car. Still talking about the car, but we want a reason. This is a different topic. 3. How are they going to ship the documents? To ship. The verb to ship means to send. How are they going to ship the documents? Answer. Have you seen the notice about the shop? Ship, shop. Similar sound. How are they going to ship the documents? Answer. I just love ocean cruises. Well, yes, you go on an ocean cruise on a big ship, but here they're talking about sending the documents. So they use the word in the wrong way. Now, we're going to break now for coffee for 15 minutes, and when we come back, we will try some examples of that listening to question and response, and we'll do it on the CD. We're going to do a little bit of practice on that now. Now, in the book, all you have is this here. But you don't need that because you will put your answers in your notebook. Please do not write in this book. You will hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 statements and then 3 answers. For each one, choose A, B, or C. It is not a test. It is not a test. I want you to talk about it. I want you to help each other. Use the dictionary if you want to. Anything to help you learn. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Number 1.
What are the arrangements for tomorrow?
A.
There's a range of goods.
B.
Yes, it's tomorrow.
C.
We'll meet at 10.
Listen again.
Tomorrow.
Oh, no, back there. Back.
What are the arrangements for tomorrow?
A.
There's a range of goods.
B.
Yes, it's tomorrow.
C.
We'll meet at 10.
Now I'm going to put one word on the board and then play it once more. She asks, what are the arrangements for tomorrow? The arrangements means the plans. What have we decided to do tomorrow? What are the arrangements for tomorrow? Now, listen again, and this time you will say,เข้าใจ.
Number 1.
What are the arrangements for tomorrow?
A.
There's a range of goods.
B.
Yes, it's tomorrow.
C.
We'll meet at 10.
A, B or C? Very good. C. Right. What are the arrangements for tomorrow? First answer, there's a range of goods. Playing with the sound. Arrangement. A range of. That's not the answer. What are the arrangements for tomorrow? Yes. Forget it. The question is what? WH. You cannot use yes or no. So that is impossible. So then, what are the arrangements for tomorrow? Arrangements means plans. We'll meet at 10. Okay. Easy. Right, number 2.
Number 2.
Who's taking the minutes?
A.
I've asked Steve to do it.
B.
It takes about an hour.
C.
Jim's talking now.
The question is, who's taking the minutes? Now, the minutes are notes that you make in a meeting. You go to a meeting, okay, and one person will write notes for the meeting. They are the minutes of the meeting. And afterwards, everybody who was at the meeting gets a copy of the minutes. This is what we decided. This is what we said. Okay, so it's the notes that somebody writes in a meeting, the minutes. If you're not sure, you've got dictionaries. You can use your dictionaries, remember.
Number 2.
Who's taking the minutes?
A.
I've asked Steve to do it.
B.
It takes about an hour.
C.
Jim's talking now.
A, B, or C? A, correct. Yes. Who's taking the minutes? I've asked Steve to do it. I've asked Steve to write the minutes. Who? We want a name. Now, C was Jim's talking now. The question, who's taking the minutes? Jim's talking. Not the same. So, A. Very good. Number 3.
Number 3.
Why did he say he was late?
A.
The traffic was very light.
B.
His alarm didn't go off.
C.
He got up on time.
Number 3.
Why did he say he was late?
A.
The traffic was very light.
B.
His alarm didn't go off.
C.
He got up on time.
Why did he say he was late? Late. Light. Not the same word. Little bit same sound, but not the same word. If we say the traffic was light, we mean not much traffic. Not many cars, no lorries, no buses, a couple of taxis, motorbikes of course, but not many. The traffic was very light. So if the traffic is light, easy to drive. Not late. Maybe panha. So it's not that one. So B or C? C? C, he got up on time. If you are on time, you are not late. Why was he late? He got up on time. He was not late. No. His alarm didn't go off. His alarm didn't go off. When I go to sleep at night, I get my phone, I put the alarm for the morning. In the morning, switch off. The alarm goes off. When we say something goes off, we mean it makes a noise. The alarm goes off. The alarm makes a noise. So his alarm didn't go off. His alarm didn't make a noise. In the next question, we have the word the findings. The findings means results of research. If you're doing a topic with your class on fishing, okay? Now, how many fish farms are there on the Chao Phraya? How many fish farms are there in the Gulf of Thailand? How many fishing boats in Surat Thani? You can find on the internet. And when you find the information, you have the results of your research. That is the findings with an S. If you look it up in the dictionary, make sure you look for findings with S. So, let's listen to the question and the three responses.
Number 4.
How were her findings received?
A.
Very positively.
B.
She couldn't find them.
C.
The receiver is broken.
Number 4.
How were her findings received?
A.
Very positively.
B.
She couldn't find them.
C.
The receiver is broken.
Now this is a difficult one. When we ask how was something received or how were things received, we are asking what did people think? What did people think? Did you enjoy your lunch today? Yes, right. So if they ask me on Monday, how was lunch received? I can say, yes, they liked the lunch. It was good. Right? So it was, what did people think about it? How was it received? How were something received?
Number 4.
How were her findings received?
A.
Very positively.
B.
She couldn't find them.
C.
The receiver is broken.
A, B or C? How were her findings received? What did they think about her results? A. Very positively. They thought the results were good. So A is the answer. Now B, she couldn't find them. What did they think of her results? She couldn't find them. No, it's not connected. And the receiver is broken. If I have a telephone here on the desk, not a mobile, but a desk phone, and the phone rings, I pick up the receiver. Listen here, speak here. That is the receiver. The receiver. So the receiver is broken. Hello? 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 The receiver is broken. No, it's not connected. Not connected. We're talking about research. The receiver.
Number 5.
What company did you use to ship the parcel?
A.
I sent it by ship.
B.
There were a lot of packages to send.
C.
We used Freight-Star as usual.
Number 5.
What company did you use to ship the parcel?
A.
I sent it by ship.
B.
There were a lot of packages to send.
C.
We used Freight-Star as usual.
Okay, A, B or C? C, very good. Right. What company? We're asking for a name. We used Freight-Star. There's the name of the company.